If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Dalma. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are, so for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Take 1 cup of pigeon peas or Toor dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 2 to 3 hours. Then take half inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. 2 tablespoons of jaggery or gur, then 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, and some salt to taste. Now for the vegetables, take 3 to 4 spine gourd, half of arbi, that's saru, 1 green brinjal or hara bengan, half of yam, that's desi aloo, 1 raw banana, 1 radish, that's moola, 3 to 4 long beans, 1 cup of pumpkin or kaddu, and 3 to 4 pointed gourd, that's parval. Now traditionally these are made in earthen pots, so that's why to make this I am using the earthen pot, but you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. Add about 3 cups of water, as we are taking total 1 cup of dal. Then to that add all the soaked dal but without the water, followed by salt, hing, ginger and the turmeric. Now keep the flame on medium and cover it with a lid and let it simmer for roughly about 10 minutes. Then after that remove the lid and add all the vegetables and bring this to boil again. Now keep the flame on medium and cover it with a lid and let it simmer till the water content is almost reduced. And it's perfect. Now to this add the crushed powder, jaggery and the ghee and combine this really well. Then again cook for a couple of minutes and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Dalma. So do try it at home and see your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.